Good morning, everyone. We're back here today again. So this is kind of like the area after we cleaned it out. As you can see, oh, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but you can kind of like see the current now, which is really nice. But today we're gonna be working and pulling down here, pulling grass from here, try to reach over here, pull this thing out, and then whatever else we can reach from the bank. Hopefully there wasn't too much reflection so you guys could kind of see what I did, but that was a lot of material. We just pulled out basically a lot. There's a lot of sticks in here. I think what this was right here in this little part was like some kind of unconstructed beaver dam or some sort of like flow control point. It didn't really seem to be damming up a lot of water. It just kind of seemed to be like stopping it. But I kind of found a way where I can make my way over here, so maybe we'll be able to cut all this and then clean that up. But I don't know, that grass right there is still kind of soft, so I'm not sure what's on that side. So we've basically pulled out as much of the material as we could off of the edge. Here in a few areas where you see these grass blades or whatever sticking out, those are basically all roots, and you have to hit it and dig around and play with it to get the right angle to be able to pull it out. But looking at this channel right here, or looking at the water, it seems that right here there's about 6.5 feet, so maybe about 2 meters from the actual bank, and I think that's the old shoreline. And then right from here it drops down to a darker area, so it kind of goes right here, there's a little bit of an outline, and then it goes like that, and then it just kind of drops back here. So I think if there's like an original bank, it's right here. It's this part that's now submerged underwater, so we can still kind of walk on this, and so that's kind of a good thing. What I'll do, I'll probably try to walk over and try to get more of this stuff back here, because I think there might be a way to be able to walk over here and then cut the grass here. And if I'm able to cut the grass, then I can start pulling, or if I can walk on that, that'd be like the first number one. I can cut it, and then I can walk on it, and then I can pull this material. And it seems that on the other side, there's kind of like another fork that goes this way and wraps around those trees. So it'll be kind of interesting. But yeah, it'll be cool if we can get on the other side. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do now, I'll go get the brush cutter. I'll trim this side of the bank, try to cut it up so I can try to pull up the material that's down here, and then hopefully maybe from like that point right there where my finger is, like somewhere right here, I can see downstream and see what's happening down there. So we got a little bit of this edge cleaned up and cleared out. Okay, let's go over there real quick. The problem here is that there is another dam, and you could see it just about at the edge of where I stopped. The reason I stopped is because right here, there's a dead drop. There's like a log right here, and then there's a log right there. But then right here, you can still kind of walk on this. Then it drops about a foot. Then it drops about 3 feet. And then it just keeps going. See that? So that's already the edge. The edge is like right here somewhere. Oh no, not even right there. It's like right here. So I have very little room to work with in regards to getting over here. If I had a bunch more mulching blades, I can mulch all this material up and kind of make a path along the edge, but I need mulching blades for that. But here, I hope you guys can see the dam. So it's very faint. Like right there, you can see the pool of water, and then right over, there's a dam. I guess we'll try risking to walk over there. Step here, I think. That's a dead drop. Okay. Yeah. You can maybe make that out on camera. You see the pool of water and then everything on the other side. Oh, and what's interesting, look at that. See a little trail right there? That's where the beavers are swimming through, and they're going down to that dam. I think they're doing maintenance on it, or maybe even packing it up so it's higher. If they're packing it up so it's higher, then that's kind of a bad thing for me, because it's just gonna get, well, actually that makes sense. If they're building it higher, that makes sense why the water level feels like it's rising. It's because it is, because they're building it up. Now that's kind of a red flag though, because I'm not sure if that beaver dam is good to keep there. I don't know, I'll have to go downstream I guess sometime, or try to find a way down there, make a way. I'll try to take most of this brush, all this grass, and pull it back here. Since there's not really a shore where I can leave stuff here, I'll try to pull it back towards me and maybe build it up in this area right here. So at the conclusion for today, for this video, I think we got quite a bit done. It doesn't look as nice, it doesn't look as clean because there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of the roots that are kind of, or a lot of the canary grass is rooted into along the old bank. So we'll have to clean that out a little bit later, kind of make it look nicer. Game plan for tomorrow or whenever I get back here is we'll try to get either an extension to the rake. I'll try to buy maybe another piece of wood where I can tape it onto the edge of the handle. That'll give me like an extra couple of feet of reach. That way I could be able to reach all this. The reason why I didn't cross over just yet is because, like I said, this is where the old channel ran. And it might be that, yeah, I can walk right here, but there might be a drop that goes down there. So I'm not gonna risk that. I'll rather buy the extra length of, or get the extra reach of, with the rake, pull this back to see what's really under there. Maybe if I could, you know, get over there, then yeah, I'll take it. I'll take the chance to get over there, but right now, since I can't see what I'm stepping on, and since there's a bunch of canary grass, I'm not gonna risk it. That's kind of a stupid thing to do if you can't see where you're stepping. So, but yeah, so the other thing is that, like I said, I can't really get farther back into that area because the shore kind of goes away. The bank kind of gets pulled back. So what I'll have to do, I'll probably have to get a bunch of mulching blades and kind of like from this angle here, kind of like make a little pathway so I can walk along the bank of the, well, I guess, yeah, along this bank instead of walking right on the edge of the water. But I'll kind of have to think and see what I can do there because that's a lot of mulching blades. So, yep, this is the conclusion for this video. I appreciate if you've made it this far, if you watched to the end. Thank you for watching. If you guys got some feedback, if you guys got any ideas, please let me know. You know, maybe you want to see more transformation photos or pictures. I guess I can do that. Or, you know, something else. But yeah, leave some feedback in the comments. If you liked the video, please drop a like. If you liked it even more, you know, consider clicking that subscribe button and then hitting the notification bell and all that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night. God bless. Bye.